Hey investors, are you ready for a wild ride in 2024? This election could be a game changer for your portfolio. We've got polls showing Kamala Harris surging ahead, and a Harris presidency could shake up the market faster than you can say buy, buy, buy. We're talking green energy taking off, big tech facing the music, and infrastructure spending like you've never seen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this the bull market of the century, or are we heading for a correction? Well, that's what we're going to break down today. We're diving deep into the sectors that'll be booming and the ones that might be left in the dust. So buckle up, because we're about to analyze the potential impact of a Kamala Harris victory on your investments. All right, let's talk energy. Kamala Harris is all about green energy, and a big win for her could mean a seismic shift in the sector. We're talking solar, wind, EVs, Tesla, NextEra. Energy First Solar could be printing money if Harris pumps the brakes on fossil fuels. Tax incentives, green infrastructure spending, stricter environmental regulations. It's a recipe for a renewable energy boom. But don't go dumping your ExxonMobil and Chevron stock just yet. These oil and gas giants are dinosaurs, but they're not going extinct overnight. The key here is adaptation. Can they pivot, go green and keep up with the times? That's the billion-dollar question. Are you betting on the future of energy or clinging to the past? Now let's talk healthcare. Kamala Harris wants to fix healthcare, make it more affordable, more accessible. Sounds great, but what does it mean for your portfolio? United Health anthem. These giants might face tighter regulations, expanded coverage requirements. It could put a squeeze on their profits, but wait, there's a silver lining. Telemedicine, health tech, these sectors are poised to explode. Teladoc, Moderna, companies like that, they're going to be raking it in if Harris pumps money into public health initiatives. So what's an investor to do? Diversify, diversify, diversify. Hedge your bets. Healthcare is a necessity. People will always need it. The key is finding the companies that are adapting to the changing landscape. Tech, tech, tech. It's been the darling of the market for years, but a Harris presidency could change the game. Big tech, they better watch out. Amazon, Facebook, Google, they've been playing fast and loose, but Harris is all about cracking down on antitrust violations, privacy concerns. We're talking higher compliance costs, legal battles, maybe even breakups. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. Harris is also a big believer in innovation, AI, cybersecurity, digital infrastructure. These are areas where she's likely to boost investment. So what does this mean for your portfolio? It's time to look beyond the big players. Keep an eye on the smaller tech companies, the startups, the innovators. They could be the real winners in a Harris economy. All right, let's talk infrastructure. Crumbling roads, bridges held together with duct tape. It's a national embarrassment, but Kamala Harris has a plan. Massive federal investment in infrastructure projects. We're talking construction, materials, transportation. These sectors are going to be booming. Caterpillar, Vulcan Materials, United Rentals. Get ready for a wild ride. But hold on, there's another piece to this puzzle. Labor. Kamala Harris is a friend of the working man, and she's not afraid to fight for higher wages, stronger unions. That might sound scary to some businesses, but it also means more money in the pockets of consumers. And what do consumers do with more money? They spend it. So get ready for a potential surge in consumer goods, retail. It's all connected. Now, let's talk money. Kamala Harris has big plans, but those plans require big bucks. How's she going to pay for it all? She's talked about raising taxes on corporations and the wealthy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Taxes are never good for the market. And you're right, to a point. Higher corporate taxes can cut into profits, lead to uncertainty. But here's the thing. Harris is also talking about investing that money back into the economy. Infrastructure, education, clean energy. These are all things that can boost growth in the long run. And let's not forget about financial regulations. Harris is likely to crack down on risky behavior, tighten regulations on big banks. That might cause some short-term volatility, but it could also lead to greater stability in the long run. There you have it. A Kamala Harris presidency could be a game changer for the stock market. We're talking green energy taking off, big tech facing the music, infrastructure booming, and a whole lot of uncertainty in between. The key takeaway here is this. Things are about to get interesting. But remember, volatility creates opportunity. Stay nimble, stay informed, and don't be afraid to make some bold moves. And most importantly, do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and make smart investment decisions. This is your money, your future, and it's time to take control.